What's going on this morning, family? Black Feniks checking in with you, man. Up at the gas station right now. I was just thinking about a couple events that took place over the weekend, and you know what I realized now? I mean, it was kind of on my mind a little bit, but now it's really hitting me as far as like the truth about the situation. I believe that a lot of the black people, I'm gonna say that for sure, a lot of the black people in this area, the area of Feniks surrounding, don't have a lot of culture. Like, you know, they know how to dress hip or whatnot, but as far as culture, like believing in something, standing on something, not being um, prejudiced, just being conscious. You know what I mean? It's like I haven't found a lot of conscious people around here. A lot of my conscious brothers and sisters that's not claiming one thing and saying another. You know, I don't knock nobody faith what they believe in. I mean, that's you personally, but I would think that if things ain't working a certain way and if it's been evident and someone else come by and show you a different way to do it that's better, that's easier, and all you have to do is just, stand your ground and do your work. But I think, I really do, I think that my people are so used to getting handouts of somehow from the man, you know, the man helping them some way with a job, with a home, and they feel like that they have to get dehumanized by the man in order to take care of their family or their kids. Like they so dependent on the system, you know. And I ain't gonna lie, man, it just bothers me to see it at this degree because some of the things I have heard people say. Now, this is only from the people I have encountered and what I have heard them say about their jobs and what they have said about their lives to let me know that this is a reality. You know what I mean? I had a guy tell me some shit that blew my mind. I couldn't even believe that he told me that his boss, this white guy, told him this. And he didn't do nothing. I said, damn, you ain't gonna take it to no lawyer? You didn't go, oh, nah, man, I just let, what? Certain stuff, man, you just can't let slide, man. You got to nip it in the bud.